is the kitchen, the cooking kitchen.
Uh-huh.
The big cooking.
Okay.
When you finish salad cooking, you don't want seafood for a year. This is the one with the spinach.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's got the spinach in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
The spinach roll. This is the spinach. Oh boy, oh boy. Make room for you. Make room for you.
I bet those are good.
Your wife gonna set. These people are